Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle with Google Ads easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your side hustle with Google Ads, start by defining your target audience. Identify who your ideal customers are and what their needs may be. Next, create a Google Ads account if you haven't already. Visit the Google Ads website and sign up using a Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the New Campaign button. Choose a campaign goal that aligns with your hustle, such as sales or website traffic. Select the campaign type, typically search or display ads. Search ads will display text-based ads on Google's search results while set your budget based on how much you're willing to spend each day. Google Ads also allows you to set bids, which determines how much you pay for each click. Next, create targeted keywords relevant to your business. Use tools like the Google Ads Keyword Planner to find popular search terms in your niche. Incorporate these keywords into your ad copy for better relevance. Now, write compelling ad headlines and descriptions. Your ad should clearly highlight what makes your side hustle unique. Be sure to include a strong call to action, encouraging users to click on your ad. Once your ads are created, set your targeting options. Choose geographical locations, time of day, and devices to reach your audience effectively. Finally, review and launch your campaign. Monitor its performance regularly to see which ads are gaining traction. Use the data to optimize your ads by tweaking keywords and ad copy. Experiment with different ad formats to see what resonates best with your audience. In conclusion, improving your side hustle with Google Ads requires patience and experimentation. Stay consistent with your efforts, and you'll likely see positive results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.